Hey guys, how's it all going? This is Jailbreak Help, and in today's video guys I have a tutorial for you guys on how to get free applications without a jailbreak. So as you know, a few days ago installers was closed, and for installers you had to have a jailbreak. However, for this method you do not have to be jailbroken, which is really impressive. So this application was released about a week ago. However, I just got to know about this application just yesterday, and so it is a Chinese application right here. If I go into Google Chrome, as you can see, here is the website. It is kuayong.com, and so as you can see, all of it is in Chinese. But if you just want to download, just go ahead and click the 2012 beta 2. And one thing one thing to note is that this is just for Windows, so there's no Mac support just yet. But just go ahead and click on this link right here, and as you can see, it'll start to download automatically. And then after it's done, go ahead and click on it, click on run, click on yes, and just go ahead and click this button. Since it's in Chinese, we do not understand anything, but it's pretty straightforward. Just go ahead and click on everything, and I'm just gonna go ahead and close out of Google Chrome. And as you can see, here is the application itself. Here I have my iPod Touch 5th generation via AirPlay mirroring, and as you can see right here, it is my iPod Touch 5th generation, and obviously it's not jailbroken because we do not have a jailbreak for the newer devices just yet. But as you can see, it's kind of like it's pretty much like installs. As you can see here, we get the applications. Obviously the names are in Chinese, and here we get different categories, and this is the search bar. So it does work. I did already check that, and just to prove that, as you can see, here is here I have WhatsApp Messenger, which you cannot normally get on an iPod Touch. However, it does work, but when I open it up, since it's my iPod Touch, I cannot use it because it says that my device is not supported because it's an iPod Touch. But as you can see right there, it does work, so it does transfer the applications to your device. So a quick disclaimer, just please use this application just for testing purposes. So let's say you like an application and you just want to go ahead and try it out. However, you do not want to purchase it before you check it out. You can download from here, and after that you can go ahead and purchase if you really like the application. So for this example, I'm just gonna go ahead and download something like this iPhone 5 flashlight application right here. I do not have it on my iPod Touch in anywhere. You can see nor in any folder. I do not have that. This is my cinematography folder, and I do not have that application, as you can see right there. So yeah, so let's go ahead and just click on it, and let me just check if I do not have it in my downloads section, and nope. So let's go ahead and this is the little download button, the little red thing with the Chinese, and as you can see here, you get a little brief description about the application, so you get some screenshots and whatnot. So if you click on that, as you can see, it transfers it to the download section, and right here it's 17.5 megabytes. And as you can see right here, I have not connected my iPod Touch, so it's not recognizing that. However, if I take my cable right here and I plug it in, as you can see now, it did recognize it, so there's my iPod Touch. And one thing that I do want to mention is that you need to have iTunes in order for the application to recognize your device. Because since here I'm running in a virtual system, the first time that I downloaded this, I did not have iTunes, and it actually did not recognize my iPod Touch, so it did not say anything here. But then I downloaded iTunes, and now it does recognize my iPod Touch, no problem. In a couple of days, we will know where this application comes from and all of that stuff, because right now it's not quite clear. I mean, it's still kind of sneaky and whatnot, but hopefully jailbreak developers check this thing out and tell us in a few days what they discovered about this. So as you can see, it is about done right here. It's 88%. So it does download a bit slow, however it gets the job done right there, 92%. And so also this is really impressive because jailbreakers only could do this via jailbreak with installs and stuff like that. However, this is done without any jailbreak, so it's quite impressive. I mean, so 96%, 98, and it's done. And as you can see, automatically it's starting to install it on my device right there. 95% done. And as you can see, it brought me to the last page and where the application is done. So let's go ahead and try to launch it. And as you can see right there, it works perfectly fine. Just click OK on that. And so it does work. There we go, perfectly fine. So it's quite impressive right there. As you can see, it did not ask me for a password or username, as it normally does if you would download just the IP file and put it into iTunes. So it's quite impressive right there. And also, if we go ahead and this will, I believe, well, yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it for it, as you can see right there. But I would really encourage you guys to just use it for testing purposes, just to go ahead and try out an application. And right there, it's still working really fine. But so yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I will leave the link to the download description below. And one thing that I do want to mention is that, as you can see, for me, for some reason, it started to install it on my iPod Touch automatically. However, if it does not, just go ahead and click this button right here, and it'll start to install it manually right there. I'm just gonna delete it since I already did that. And the interesting thing is that as you can see, in some application it puts a .bpp, which if you go ahead and delete that, it turns that into an IPA file. So that's really strange. I guess that's the code to trick Apple into thinking that you purchased the application or something like that. But so yeah, guys, please leave me a comment down below on what you think about this application, and would you use it or not. And also, please consider subscribing there, guys. It would really help me a lot. And I hope you have a nice day, and I'll catch you all in my next video.